10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic will be Solved Online legislation update for business solutions, and the Bill of Rights should be 1688. It's going to correct that. So 1688, and it's going to be a summary. Yeah, so it's going to be a 15 minutes program, and also at the end we will be having dictionary to show the root meaning of words in law for business solutions. Also, like I say, Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yes, there will be giveaways again. Yeah, in the future, articles, books, etc. Solved Online provides solutions, discoveries, documents, proof, show demonstrations, direction, instructions, and accuracy in corrections. All right, let's get to that 1,000 subscribers to start that online tutorial, webinar, seminar. Teach everyone how to be able to research like a barrister, solicitor, lawyer, so they could get the best in, their business, their life business, protect and grow. Yeah, so we're gonna go over to legislation.gov.uk. We're gonna get these updates on legislation. So very important to know your day-to-day life. Yeah, so we're gonna go over to legislation.gov.uk. As you can see, we're on legislation.gov.uk. So before I go ahead, I'm just gonna do again a quick share. So again, we have some more viewers on the show. Okay, so we're gonna take about a minute, and that'll be good. So let's make sure that everyone knows that we are live. Okay, so I need to still update that. Yeah, so like I said, we're on legislation.gov.uk. So we're gonna go to the home page like normal, and then we see down here, like it says, legislation published recently, and there are UK statutory instruments 8. So we're gonna click on the 8, and we're gonna see what's available for today. So I did miss some yesterday, so again, just gonna see what's available for today. So we have first the health protection coronavirus restriction or Leicester Amendment number 3, Regulations 2020. We also have the health protection coronavirus restriction, Blackburn and Darwin and Bradford Regulations 2020. We also have the health protection coronavirus international travel England Amendment number 6, Regulations 2020. Here we also have the electricity individual exemption from the requirement for a transmission license coronavirus order 2020. We have the road vehicles certificate of temporary exemption regulations 2020. Next one, we have the power to award degrees, etc. TEC partnership order 2020, and also have some correction slips. One, yeah, so again, this order authorized River Oak Atlantic Partnership Limited to undertake work to redevelop Munston Airport. So it's about an airport again, and also this is about the European Union. So this is about the European Union, and it's an Withdrawal Act 2018. So the Withdrawal Act 2018, and they're just amending Section 8.1. So again, that's it for the new legislations that is published. So just gonna get into the summary, and again, and that is the Bill of Rights. I'm gonna show you how important and how everything is just in time. So I'm gonna do this, and then I have to remove this because it's not 1689, it's 1688. That's the official publications. So like I say, gonna show you how significant the Bill of Rights is in this time and everything that is going on right now. Again, it's very important, right? What's going on right now and all the changes, that is being made. That's why, again, these publications have significance to certain communities, very important to certain communities and their behaviors and how they, like I say, act. And these bills shows you exactly, the time frame. So it's very important. So again, we have the Bill of Rights 1688, and it shows you there the Bill of Rights 1688, and it says an act declaring the rights and liberties of the subject and settling the succession of the crown. Yeah, so succession of the crown, like I say, they are breaking it down even further from imperial crown to the crown. So now these are just family again fighting over who have again rights to the imperial crown, who have again rights to look after the imperial crown. So this is where again you find the closest bloodline to Jerusalem, and this is where, like I say, the business takes place, who is able to get succession. So it just shows you, like I say, this is talking about William and Mary. So it's the same, like I say, from the previous act, the Coronation Oath, 1688, and like I say, they're all at the same time. They all combine at the same time. They are connected, and like again, they're talking about the said realm, the said Windrush generation, the said empire, the said British Empire, the said Ethiopian Empire, the said United Kingdom, the said Kingdom of England. They're talking about the said thing, the said realm, which again, is run by the imperial crown. And again, this is very important to know. So this one is showing you, just to be clear, and this is going on today exactly. So it shows you this again, and this is also have to deal with Parliament and the structure that is going on now. So it goes, the heads of Declaration of Lords and Commons recited, whereas the late King James II, by the assistance of deserve that word so diverse evil counselors, judges and ministers employed by him did endorse to subvert and exterminate the Protestant religion and the laws and liberties of this kingdom. So it's showing exactly again, diverse evil counselors, judges, and ministers. So employed by him. So it's showing you again, these things keep occurring again to change again the laws and liberties of the kingdom. So just like we're having now, we're going through tons of changes. We're going through again disruption. We're going through, everything that is again happening right now is we're actually going through it. And it says it, that's why the law, is to be remembered. It says exactly what's happening. Diverse evil counselors. We have evil counselors, evil judges, and evil ministers right now in this time, you know. So, and they are they are slowly and trying to change the laws, but that's why this law, is set up for limitations. That's what everyone needs to remember, limitation. And to prove it, so he's showing you all the things that they try to do, dispensating and suspending powers. They try that's what they're doing, committing prelates. That's what they're doing. Easy electrical commissioners. So it shows that, again, like I was talking about the actual Great Seal. So try to change the rules of the Great Seal, and it shows you, levying money. Also, have a standing army. So exactly what's going on now. So these are the things that they try to do. So it goes by raising and keeping a standing army within the kingdom in the time of peace without consent of parliament, and quartering soldiers contrary to the law. So this is what's really happening. As you can see, everything that's laid out here is what's happening now illegally, like that is going on. So that's why the law is so important. Disarming Protestants. So exactly what's going on. So look, exactly what's going on. Coronavirus disarmed all the religious groups. This is what's going on. Look, violating elections. That is America. It's a illegal prosecutions. Look, everything, juries, everything, excessive bail, excessive fines, punishment, everything, grant of fines, and before convictions, everything that's going on is written clearly down, like it's showing you. So that's why, with the law, it goes, with the law, it it truly, is a pillar, for everything to regenerate. That's why, you can't go, beyond your powers. Doesn't matter how, kings and queens try to, do evil. There's always, again, the righteous king that has established his business, in such in the most perfect way that, again, they cannot go beyond it. So this one and then this one now, because it all stopped there, where, this is what they tried to do, King James II, again. So now it shows you about the subjects' rights. So this is short. So this is exactly what's going. So weird. What's going on tomorrow? In Brixton, this is exactly what is written in the law. It's the weirdest thing, but the law, is set up for this purpose. Exactly for this is just a reminder. Look, so shows you, and there upon the said lords, spiritual and temporal and commons, pursuant to their respective letters and elections, being known, assembled in a full and free representative of this nation, taking into their most serious consideration the best means for attaining the ends aforesaid, do in the first place, as their ancestors in like case have usually done, for the in dictating, indicating and asserting their ancient rights and liberties declare. So exactly what's going on, like gathering, like coming together, getting their own representation, declaring again their rights and liberties. This is exactly what's going on. and removing, like I say, all these different, illegal activities that's going on. And this is showing you what the setup is like to be able to set up. Shows you that there's always limitations to the crown. So what is going on is nothing new. What is going on is nothing new. So it's just to always keep up with the actual law to again see the things that is is the foresight is it is what's in front of you, and it's the law. That's why legislation.gov.uk is the number one place to be. So truly that's just a brief, just like I say, run through. That's why the legislation.gov.uk is the number one place to be, to always see everything that will occur, because it's already happened. Nothing new underneath the sun, like what Solomon says. So again, Monica Taylor, appreciate the yes, Grand Friday, helped online knowledge for the weekend. Yes, this is what it is. Knowledge for the weekend. So like I say, this is all a setup. This is all been set up already. There's nothing new that's taking place. So just follow the law and do the right thing. So that is the main thing. Follow the law and do the right thing, because everything is already there. There's nothing new that you have to structure. You just have to watch out. Trying to do something that is not written in the law. That's the only thing. I'm saying that again. They depend upon the diverse evil counselors, judges, and ministers. That's the only thing that they depend on. That the people don't follow the law. That's the only thing that they depend on, and that's all that they've been depending on from the beginning. So when you hear that, that again, we have to send up a fire. Yeah, more fire. Make it red. Alright, you see, because them thing there, like I say, like one particular say.
Yo, poor people, I've seen no improvement over the years from these guys and their movements.
Exactly, because why there are diverse evil counselors. Let me highlight this section. Diverse evil counselors, judges, and ministers. Yeah, that you understand and see. When you can see these things clearly written in the law before time, and it's happening now, it should make you feel
cross, angry, miserable.
All right, but don't know. South Online is here. It's here to put everything together to make sure remembrance of the King is written down, so that everything is what?
Connect.
Yes, connect. They don't know. So when everything connect, everything is what?
Up to the time.
Yes. So when everything is up to the time, it what?
Clear.
And what?
Good to go.
All right. So we're gonna go to the last thing, and that is again dictionary. So we're gonna do the word that we have prepared for today, and then close, because 15 minutes is up. So I do run over the time just to keep a record and show that everyone put in the extra for the people. So now we're gonna go over to the new slide, so we all can see what's going on. So there we go. Just make it a bit bigger. Like I say, it's Friday, and just wanted to close, because I didn't do no show yesterday, so just wanted to close. So the word is bill. Very simple one. So it goes: bill, a formal declaration, complaint, or a statement for a particular thing in writing. Because as a legal term, this word has many meanings and applications, the more important of which are numerous below. So these are the most important, all these things. So as you can see, let's go down to the Bill of Rights. So Bill of Rights is in all of these bills. And there we go. We have it as you see right there. So again, what it says there, 6 solemn and formal legislative declaration of popular rights and liberties, as you can see. So promulgated and certain extraordinary occasions as the famous Bill of Rights in the English history. And showing you so a formal and ethical legislation, assertion, and declaration of popular rights and liberties usually promulgated upon a change of government. Here, particularly the statue W and M, so William and Mary. See exactly also the summary of the rights and liberties of the people or of the principle of constitutional law deemed essential and fundamental contained in many of the America state constitution. So boom, you see it clear. So I'm just showing you, like I say, when you come to a new place, you assert these things. Yeah, so this is what's really happening, and it's getting there. So keep everything up, keep the power up, and just work towards it. And always supplying, what I'm saying, the right direction. Come on, we're just seeing everything. Like I say, doing what I'm doing, my part. So this is where everyone can see. So when all fails, this is all, like I say, I just plan to help from a long time, but it's just the way everything is structured. When all fails, again, the law will protect. So again, out, and I see you next week. Like I say, Solved Online, the online business solution, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels. And again, the topic again, Solved Online legislation update for business solutions and bills of rights 1688 summary. And also, like I say, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solution through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, transparency, and protection. Yes, the motto Solved Online knows that there's no business like the king's business. Yep, that's it. Give thanks and praise and appreciation to everyone. Yeah, peace, and I'll see you next week for some more topics